Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. The thing that I believe is the single biggest factor in where Bitcoin's price goes next. And that is the crypto market structure bill that is set to be voted on by the Senate very soon. If this passes, we're going to get regulation on networks, commodities versus securities, stablecoins, and of course, decentralized finance, one of my favorite things in crypto. And one of the famous investors I was promising to reveal is Kevin O'Leary, who talks about the impact he believes this bill will have if it passes. Let's hear what he has to say.
The money center banks have been sitting on their hands for years, crapping on the crypto industry, but it's not about Bitcoin. Nothing to do with Bitcoin. It's digital payment systems. That's the potential. That's the amazing opportunity we have here. Now, the reason that will be important and why we'll get price appreciation on Bitcoin is the minute that happens, it will signal the move to the next act, the Market Infrastructure Act. And why that matters to everybody in this room is we will finally determine, is Bitcoin a commodity or a security? And when that is determined and regulated, Katie bar the doors, $1 trillion will come and index that asset. Let's all hope that happens while we're all alive here. Anyways, thank you very much.
I think Mr. Wonderful says it very well here. The big money has been sitting on their hands, not because they're not interested in Bitcoin and crypto, but because they need regulatory clarity. These are not mom and pop shops. This is not a retail investor. They can't just FOMO or YOLO in to these coins. They have to know that their investment is regulated for them to do so. And once they get this regulatory clarity, he sees $1 trillion flowing into the industry. I believe it could be even more than that, but I don't know if it's going to be all at once. So in less than 2 short weeks, we are going to know the outcome. If this gets passed, and what gets passed inside of it provides the clarity needed for big money to get in, hold on to your butts because we're going to the moon.